If I am not selected, no problem. If I am not selected, no problem. Just think from before in your mind, because that is not going to change anything. If you are going to be selected or you are going to be rejected, tell me, if you are afraid very much, if you are thinking that, what if they reject me, will that change their decision? No. It will change your chance. It will not change their decision, it will change your chance to be selected. So there are chances to be rejected. If you start thinking that, that fear comes in your mind. So what you need to think, that I am rejected today. Now let's talk. And then when you start talking after rejecting yourself by yourself, then you will be more confident, because you have thought that I'm not going to be selected here. So you will be confident. But there are chances for you to be rude also. But don't be rude. Being rude is not good. In any circumstances, it is not good. So what to do? Think that if I am rejected, it is okay. It is all right. So fear of fall, that makes you think that you may be rejected, and that makes you inconfident. This is a very good idea. That think, in English it is a saying that be ready for the worst and be hopeful for the best. Hope for the best, be ready for the worst. So always hope for the best, but be ready for the worst. When you sit, and one thing I must tell you, this is the honest truth. Everybody knows in this world, that in this world, whoever comes before people, every person gets nervous. So you are not a unique person if you are nervous. It's not only especially for you that you are getting nervous. Everybody in this world gets nervous, and getting nervous is not a bad thing. It is not your incapability. Getting nervous is natural, it is common, it is okay, everybody gets nervous, but look nervous, that is the problem. You shouldn't look nervous. The nervousness should not come on your face. You should not look nervous, the fear should not come on your face. If you look nervous, that is the problem. This is something you can control. There are so many people in this world, they are nervous, but at the time of talking, they look confident. So you can train yourself how to look confident. And how you can train, I can give you one idea. If you do that for 5 days, 6 days, you will look very confident. And the idea is, take your phone out of your pocket, turn on the camera, and record yourself talking. And after that, listen to it, look at it, and see how you look. See, are you confident? Look at that whole video and see, are you confident enough? Or do you want to be more confident? Now you can say, you have been teaching for 20 years. Do you need improvement? Yes, I need improvement. Everybody needs improvement. It doesn't matter how long you have worked. In this world, everybody needs improvement, and everybody has opportunity to grow. So the more you have the requirement for growth, the fixing the problem, same just like that, the senior people also need it. Even the vice president of the company, president of the company, they all work on their improvement. This is the secret of knowledgeable people, the bigger people, the scholastic people, that they struggle all their life to make themselves better. And for that, they learn skills. They always update and upgrade themselves. You know, nowadays, artificial intelligence have challenged many people. So many, I know so many good teachers who were expert. Nobody is hiring him. He has taught 15 years and now he is jobless. Why? Because he doesn't know how to teach through a smartboard. He has taught through traditional method in his life, all his life, and according to that traditional method he can teach now also. But all the bigger coaching institutes want them to use a smartphone, to use a smart board, and teach through interactive panels. And he is not aware about that. So he is jobless. What he should do? He should learn that there is no other way. You need to improve, you need to upgrade yourself, you need to learn every day in this technology. And not only this technological era, even 30 years back, the new technology were coming every year. And the people who adapted it, they became successful. The people who rejected it, I know there were people who rejected it. They said, no, this is a bad thing, I'm not going to use it. And they suffered a lot. After some time, they are using it. So you can't reject the development. You can't reject the technology. You have to upgrade yourself every day.